about a month and a half, and I'm really enjoying this thing. I can't get enough of it. I've been wondering how well it would do following or tracking me on the motorcycle, so I decided to put it to the test. Now, if you plan to use it to capture slow speed maneuvers or low speed maneuvers, it's the perfect drone to do so. You can't do anything more than 15 to 19 miles an hour, but it tracks fairly well within those speed limits. I will say there were a couple times when I came to a stop and I thought it was going to run into the back of me, but it didn't, and it continued to track me after those stops. Anyhow, I just wanted to make a short video. If you guys like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, follow me for more, and until the next one, thanks for watching.